OpenAI's frontman, Sam Altman, stands to benefit from the initial public offering of a household-known decacorn as the third largest stakeholder of Reddit. He controls 8.7% of the company's stock. Altman also served on the company's board from 2015 to 2022. I did not know that he served even as CEO of Reddit for 8 days. So hold that, Scaramucci.
Yeah, I was like, well, if you blinked, you might have missed it. It was a very short time there that he did hold that CEO position. But really what is interesting about this, we knew his involvement within the company. We didn't know the scale in terms of the number of shares that he did own. So the fact that he is the third largest shareholder really puts that in perspective here for us. And we're bringing that up because one of the areas that was touted here within this filing was AI. In the S1 filing, it's AI and some of their ambitions there, what they are seeing play out. We know they have a deeper partnership right now with Google. Exactly what that will lead to in the long run, many people are speculating about right now. But in terms of what has been released, it's going to allow Reddit to integrate new AI-powered capabilities onto the platform. Sam Altman being amongst the largest stakeholder here within the company. Clearly, you would think AI is going to remain or be a focal point in terms of future growth here for Reddit in the coming years.
Yeah, absolutely. And for Reddit, what we've already seen them be able to do, and we talk about the retention of users, we talk about making sure that this platform does ultimately get past some of its own risk factors, which is, and it comes back to the users and the content itself. I think for generative AI and the ability for AI specifically to really track across some of the other social media platforms when content that violates terms or the agreement, the usage agreement gets violated. That's where AI already plays a role in some social media. And so for Reddit, it'll be interesting to see where they continue to lean on Sam Altman and OpenAI and some of the ingenuity that and innovation that they've been able to put forward with ChatGPT and infuse that even further into the platform as well.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting also just how this IPO is received. We talked earlier in the show about what this would mean to the broader market, but one thing that we didn't really dive into is just the fact that it's challenged here in terms of the lack of profitability. And when we see what has been a focal point here for investors over the last several months, it has been proven profitability, something that Reddit has not exactly shown as of yet. And on the sales side, most of the revenue still coming or still being generated from advertising. So I think there are still question marks in terms of what that future potential profitability could look like and exactly how long it would take Reddit to possibly get there.